Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you find the best token if for you holding, right? And how do you see? I'm so use the token is very slow, right? I'm also find the best project for holding. If you want to trading or you want to invest in long term, you just go to check all video on my YouTube channel. So you will see a lot of project about the cryptocurrency for holding and the low price and selling at the high price. And how do you think about the crypto is graph like that? For me, I'm saying that if you are investing long term with the cryptocurrency, don't forget subscribe and check my channel, right? And today I'm so use once the token is very slow right? If you check on the third page, on the third page in coins market cap, so you will see the project I'm show you, right? On the ranks number 234, right? I'm show you on the third page and find the number 234. It's here. 234 is ranking, right? And if you want to invest in long term, this token is very good for the holdings long term. Why I'm so like that? Because this is the real project, right? This is the real project. If you want to holdings long term, and you can buy at the dip, right? And you can buy at the slow, right? And after you click on here, for you will see the VVS Finance, right? VVS Finance today is 0.50 and 67. And how do you think if you want to invest in long term and very little your capital? I'm show you about the change US dollar and divide with the 0.50 and 67. You can see here you can get more than 1 million coin, right? 1 million coin. And when does 1 year later after the VVS Finance can explode or release 30, multiply with the 0.20 and 2, so you can get 2,985. This is the very slow ride, only $10, and after you pay your capital is $10 and you can get nearly $3,000 only 1 year. And how do you think about the VVS Finance, right? That's the reason before you decide investing with the cryptocurrency, don't forget check all information, right? Don't forget check in all information. That's the reason one. You should check the maximum supply, right? With the VVS Finance showing it already. Maximum supply is 100 billion, right? 100 billion token. And today is total supply is 46 billion token it already, and especially 24 hours for regulating supply, right? That mean a lot of investor is holding 24% of total supply it already. So a lot of investor is investing with the VVS Finance too, right? However, it rank on the number 234, but if you check around the 24 hours for trading, you have more than 1 million US dollar, right? It is a lot of money for trading. However, the VVS Finance is rank on the number 234, or that means the third in coins market cap, but a lot of investor is holding this coin it already, right? And if you want to buy the VVS Finance, forget that IO is trading, Uniswap and the cryptos.com, and especially you can use the VVS swap, right? You can use the VVS swap, it easy and you can use it anytime. Why I'm so use the this project? Because VVS Finance, VVS Finance is that's the real project, right? It is the real project. I'm show you, you can see here VVS Finance trading, you can swap, liquid and especially you can earn from the farm and mint, and VVS staking, VVS staking and you can see here, if you want to staking the VVS, so you can go to the earning and click on the VVS and start connect your wallet, right? And after you connect your wallet, you can staking your VVS and you will receive X VVS, right? And after you get the X VVS, so you can swap, you can swap it to get your profit anytime, right? And especially you can see here last 1 day APR, right? So you with 1 month, as simple that you investing with 100 US dollar, right? And this is your profit, right? And this is your profit. And if you invest in your capital is 1,000 US dollar, and with the 1 month, you can get 0.74, or that means you can earn the $7 per month, right? Per month. And I example that, right? If you buy the VVS Finance today with the silver is low right like that, and you holding, you holding and you staking, you earn your profit. You get your profit passive income every month, and then after the 1 years later, you can earn double your profit. After the VVS Finance is increased right from the 0.50 and release 2 or 3 0, you get the big profit, right? I example that. If you invest your capital in the 100 US dollar and you earn 0.74 per month, and then if you invest 100 US dollar and divide with the 0.50 and 67, so you can get 14 million or 15 million, 15 million VVS coin, and multiply with the 0.20 and 5, after the VVS is released the 30, you can see here a lot of money, right? $74,000, right? And you pay only 100 US dollar your capital, and you can get a big profit. And this is the profit one, right? And in this here is the profit two. And also this is the real project. So I'm seeing that the VVS Finance will release, it will release 0, it's easy, so because it real finance, it real this project, and you can earn from farm, from mint, from staking, and especially you can swap it anytime, right? Or if you want to swap from the older coin, you can use it easy, right? I support that in this here, so you just go to swap and connect your wallet, it look like the pancake swap or B swap, right? And look like the pancake swap, B swap, Uniswap, it's easy to use. And around the 24 hours for trading, it's more than $1 million it already. So I'm seeing that this project is go to the moon very fast, right? And a lot of investors, they're hopeful, right? Because the this is the real project, right? This is the real project. And so if the Bitcoin or if the crypto is big recovery to about the 50 or 60,000 thousand dollar US dollar plus one Bitcoin, VVS Finance will go to the moon very far, right? And if you check on the all time, so you check on all time, on the 2021, the VVS coin only 0.30, right? And only 0.30, and today it's at the bottom. I'm like buy crypto at the bottom so much, because after I'm holding at the bottom, I hope that I will get profit. I'm don't like at the higher. I do not recommend you should buy in the higher. Before you decide investing with the cryptocurrency, you go to check all video in my YouTube channel, and you can decide by yourself, right? You should studying step by step about the cryptocurrency every day, right? Don't FOMO in the cryptocurrency. investing. It's not good. You should check it all by yourself. All information, all goods exchange, and use the blockchain or use the wallet, so you can decide it, right? You can decide it, and especially you should studying about the project, right? And what the project is doing, yeah. And so you can decide and investing with cryptocurrency easy, right? And don't forget subscribe to my channel, guys. I will go into show you the best trip with the cryptocurrency every day. Thank you very much for watching my video.